Alright guys, what I have here is a 99 tracker. It's in really good shape. I figure if I get some parts on it, I'd probably get another 5-8 years out of it. But I found that some of these parts are getting harder and harder to come by, especially spring kits for the rear brakes. Let me turn this music down here. Look at that engine, nice and clean. Got a thermostat sitting there ready to put in. The thing's in phenomenal shape. Now these are the rear brakes. I just got done setting them up. Got a new wheel cylinder here. Got the brake pads on. I put all new spring kit on there. There's a spring kit there. I was missing a couple springs. So I figured, what the hell, might as well just do it right. So I got the new wheel cylinder, and I'm going to spin this around. I didn't see any good videos on YouTube about where the hell everything goes. And these brakes are a fucking pain in the ass because of this fucking hub's in the way. So I'm going to spin this, and you're going to get a good view of everything. Okay, there's your upper spring. Right down below it is your adjuster. You can see where everything hooks up. One of the biggest problems I had was figuring out where this powell was, because when I took the drum off, it just fell on the floor. So as you see, it sits in there loose. There's nothing really holding it on but that spring. I stick a screwdriver in there and I can move it. See that? You would think that there would be some kind of nut that goes on this, but there's not. But I can push that in, I can move it. It just sits in there loose. Now the adjuster, the short edge goes in the back, and then the long edge faces towards you. This is the right rear. And all that does is sit right in that little groove there. Loose. No nut goes on this. And that spring that holds that in goes from there down below the retainer clip. Trying to get different angles because I know these suck. Keep going down. Now this is adjustable. You pull out this way and push it in. You make sure you do that before you put the brake pad on. There's a lower spring. Also that green spring in the background, that keeps tension on this adjustment right here. Now brake pads behind the brake pad retainer. Now I'm aiming up, I'm going underneath. You see where the white spring hooks. Well, I hope this helps somebody out, because this is a real pain in the ass to figure out. Then the kit also comes with that C clip there, which is pretty vital to hold that emergency brake lever. There's the other side of the white lower clip. bear with me. I know this is moving a lot, but it's going to help you out. Now that neck spring there, the kit did not come with that spring. That's the only spring that didn't come with it. So make sure you don't lose it. I don't know where the hell you'd find another one if you did lost it. Maybe a salvage yard or eBay or something. Another retainer clip. You see my emergency brake cable back there. You see it's moving the emergency brake lever. There's the other side of my adjuster. Now to get a better angle on this pawl here. You're able to use a screwdriver and adjust it right here. You go down, it's hard to get this on video. I'm trying. Piece of shit. I need a cameraman. A better angle. I can push in, and that lever's holding it. But I can pull it towards me, and it adjusts just fine. You can see the paddle lever clicking. You can hear it. I can pull it towards me, but I can't push it. And that paw's doing exactly what I want it to do. So we'll do another once over. This is looking at the top. You got your green spring. You got your pawl down in there. Now, one video on YouTube showed me all this shit. Try to get as much on here as I can to help you guys out. Suzuki Grand Vitara, probably the same. And I believe this is good from 2009, or I'm sorry, 1999 to 2004. I was told at the GM dealership today that they're trying to phase out tracker parts because, I mean, this thing's 19 years old. Almost 19 years old. So everything in there is brand new, even including the wheel cylinder. So get your parts while you can, as you're lucky enough to find shocks and everything else I needed so far. Alright, I hope it helps you guys out, man. Saves you more trouble than I had. See you later. Bye.